Why do some people accumulate wealth while others remain financially stuck, even when they earn a good salary? Could it be that the secret to getting rich is not how much you make, but how you think about money? Studies show that 70% of lottery winners lose everything within a few years. Meanwhile, self-made billionaires, even when they fail, rebuild their fortunes quickly. What explains this drastic difference? In today's video, you'll discover how the mindset and financial habits of the rich differ from those of the poor. More importantly, you'll learn how to change your thinking and habits to start building real wealth. Stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal the #1 mistake that keeps most people from getting rich, and how to avoid it. Many people believe that getting rich is simply about making more money. But if that were true, why do so many high-income earners still struggle financially? Studies show that even professionals with six-figure salaries often live paycheck to paycheck. This happens because wealth isn't built by how much you earn, but by how you manage what you earn. Take Warren Buffett, for example. One of the richest men in the world, yet for decades, he lived in the same modest house he bought in 1958. Meanwhile, many athletes and celebrities, after earning millions, end up broke. The difference? Financial habits and mindset. The wealthy understand the power of compound interest and how to make money work for them instead of just working for money. Instead of spending impulsively, they prioritize investing. Instead of thinking short-term, they develop a vision for the future. And this is where the true transformation begins. The rich invest first, the poor spend first. Most people receive their paycheck and immediately start paying bills and buying things they want. Only if something is left at the end of the month do they consider saving. The rich do the opposite. They pay themselves first, meaning they allocate money for investments before anything else. Even if it's just 10% of their income over time, this builds financial security and freedom. The rich buy assets, the poor buy liabilities. One of the biggest financial traps is confusing liabilities with assets. Many people believe their car or their house is an asset, but if something only takes money out of your pocket, it's actually a liability. The rich focus on acquiring income-generating assets, such as stocks, rental properties, and businesses. The rich value financial education, the poor ignore it. Most schools don't teach how money works, and many people grow up believing that finances are complicated. But the truth is, understanding money is a skill anyone can learn. The rich read books, attend seminars, and surround themselves with financially intelligent people. If you don't actively seek financial education, you'll always be at the mercy of others' decisions. Many people believe that money is evil, that rich people are greedy, or that it takes money to make money. These beliefs, often absorbed from childhood, create mental barriers that sabotage financial success. Neuroscientists have found that our brains are wired to seek comfort and avoid uncertainty. This is why many people fear investing. They prefer the illusion of security in a regular paycheck rather than taking calculated risks. But the problem is, stability does not create wealth. Growth does. So how do you reprogram your mind for financial success? Start by questioning, what do I believe about money? Do you believe it's hard to earn? That you don't deserve to be rich? Challenge these thoughts. Replace them with empowering beliefs like, money is a tool for freedom. Opportunities are everywhere, and I am responsible for my financial future. Develop an abundance mentality. The rich believe that money is abundant and that there are always new ways to create wealth. The poor believe in scarcity, thinking there's never enough. Instead of saying, I can't afford this, start asking, how can I afford this? This simple shift forces your brain to seek solutions instead of excuses. Surround yourself with financially intelligent people. Your environment shapes your mindset. If you spend time with people who complain about money and believe getting rich is impossible, their mindset will influence you. Seek out mentors, books, and communities that inspire growth. None of this knowledge will matter if you don't take action. Start today. Create an investment plan, even if it's just $50 per month. Track your expenses and eliminate unnecessary spending. Dedicate time to financial education every week. Surround yourself with people who inspire you to grow. Most importantly, believe that you are capable of changing your financial future. Because in the end, the greatest secret of the rich is this: wealth starts in the mind before it appears in the bank account. And now, as promised, let's talk about the biggest mistake that keeps people from getting rich: relying solely on one source of income. Most people depend only on their salary. But the rich understand that having multiple sources of income is the key to financial security and freedom. Whether through investments, side businesses, or passive income, they ensure that money keeps flowing, even when they're not actively working. So, if you want to break free from financial struggles, start building multiple income streams today. If you got value from this video, leave a like and comment. I am building my financial future to affirm your commitment to change. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll reveal the 3 financial traps that silently keep people poor. You won't want to miss it.